Welcome to Nordic Market News, Friday, March the 3rd. We summarize the past week's most market-affecting news every Friday. Looking at each country's stock market index, the past week has been challenging for the majority of the Nordic countries, following speeches from Trump and Federal Reserve representatives this week. Helsinki 25, 1.5% this week, or minus 0.2. OMX is 30, 0.6 this week, or minus 0.1 today. OSCBX in Norway, 0.9 this week, or minus 0.8 today. Copenhagen 20, around 0 this week, or minus 0.7 today. And the overall index of Nordic 40, 0.5 this week, or minus 0.2 today. Starting off in Norway, the Norwegian oil service company Seadrill met the market expectations for the fourth quarter compared to estimates from SME Direkt. $118 million in operating profit, and expected was 159. EBITDA, revenues and net income was spot on. 354 million of EBITDA was reported, as well as 667 million in sales and $133 million in net profit. However, Seadrill has had a hard time finding sustainable finances and capital structure, prompting the company to announce its goal to raise capital of $1 billion. This was announced at the turn of the month, January-February. Since then, Seadrill has said the company is in negotiations with its lenders, investors and banks to reach a sustainable deal for Seadrill and its shareholders. The goal of additional financing was set to last day of April. Now, Seadrill writes in the report that the deadline will be challenging to meet. The share was expected to drop 5% after the report, which it did, and more, as displayed in this graph from Infront taken yesterday, Thursday. The stock has continued to slowly decrease in price since then. Over to Sweden, drama in life science developer company Oasmia has been reported this last week. A press release from the chairman of the board, Anders Lönner, announced that Lönner would step down as chairman effective immediately. However, Oasmia issued their own release explaining that Lönner had been impossible for the company to deal with. Lönner is a major stakeholder in life science company Pharma, and when Oasmia bought a cancer project from Pharma, Lönner stepped in as chairman of the board in Oasmia. However, according to the company, Lönner has never been present during the board meeting. He has demanded extra salary and the right to make his own deals for Oasmia with other companies, for which he should receive a commission of 5% for each deal. The major stakeholder in Oasmia has grown tired of Lönner and simply threw him out during the week. Overlooking this Infront graph, the Oasmia stock during the week, taken yesterday, Thursday, stock fell hard on the news of Lönner leaving. However, since then, the stock has recovered and surpassed the initial drop. Over to Denmark. Jacob Riis has been named the Crown Prince of NovoNordisk. And having been the CEO of NovoNordisk Inc. and the manager of NovoNordisk in North America, he has now announced he is stepping down and leaving the company. This was announced in a press release during Wednesday. He will be replaced by market manager in North America, Doug Lange. Why Jacob Riis steps down is not announced in the press release. He will, however, become CEO of security company Falk. Speculations has been flying around about Riis deciding to leave due to the current struggle for NovoNordisk within the North American market. The company's stock dropped a few percent on the news, but has since recovered. Finally, in Finland, Swedish venture capital firm EQT are considering to list Finnish healthcare company Terra Vista Healthcare. Terra Vista is Finland's largest privately owned healthcare company, and this is reported by Bloomberg News from anonymous sources. The group has 17 hospitals in Finland and 170 care units around the country. Turnover during 2015 was 506 million euro and an EBITDA of about 70 million euro. EQT has been a main owner in the company since 2013. The ownership amounts to 92%. That was the headlines for today's program. We will be back again next week with more Nordic news. Thank you for watching.